Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's start with a new video. Is the Leatherman Bit Kit worth the money? When we are talking about a bit kit, especially in combination with a multi-tool, there are different options. Let's go through the different options. There are some integrated bit holder in some very common multi-tools. This is a SOC power pint and you can add the bit here. Then we find bit holders that we can integrate it in the pouch or the sheath for our multi-tools. This one is the Victorinox version with slots for different bits, and we have an L key with a holder for the different bits, and you can adapt the bits here too. This is the original pouch for a Victorinox Swiss tool Spirit, and you see it here. You have a slot here for the bit kit, you have another slot for the bit extension, and you have, for example, a slot for corkscrew, and you can add the multi-tool here. The next concept is from Leatherman. This one is a bit set with an integrated bit holder, and you can add the bit holder, for example, on the Phillips head of the Leatherman rebar, and so you can put in the different bits here. This bit adapter from Leatherman is made for standard bits and for the low profile bits from Leatherman. So you see it here. This is the combination Leatherman rebar, Leatherman bit adapter and a Leatherman low profile bit. And when it comes to Leatherman tools, I have to mention you not always need the bit holder here. You can, for example, use the large bit kit here in combination with the Leatherman Charge or the Leatherman Wave because of the own slot for the Leatherman bits. Before we move on to our main topic, I have to say two things. The first thing is, maybe you don't need an extra bit kit depending on your needs. The most multi-tools comes with a set of screwdrivers, for example the Leatherman rebar. You find, for example, a Phillips set here and a set of flathead screwdrivers. And when you work as a professional, the low profile bits from Leatherman are not the right choice. I think the quality is not high end, and when you use high quality tools, check out, for example, the Vera Tool Check or the products from VIA. These are high quality products for professionals for a use as a craftsman. So what's my use case for the Leatherman bits? The use case is very simple. I want as many options as possible in my EDC toolkit, and I don't know if I have to use them this day, this week or this month. So when there is a problem I have to solve, I always wanted to have the right options or tool options with me. And for this case, the Leatherman Bit Kit is a great choice because the profile is extremely slim. I have different double-headed bits, so I have a lot of options, and I have to mention, compared to the standard sized bits, the Leatherman Bit Kit and the options are extremely lightweight. And with a slim profile, it's easy to carry a set of different bits in the multi-tool pouch, for example in this old Leatherman pouch here. And another option I really like is this magazine pouch from Tasmanian Tiger. I have 3 bit sets from Leatherman in here in combination with the set with the adapter for the Leatherman rebar Phillips head, so I can carry them together, I can throw it in my backpack and I'm ready to go. If you are a professional craftsman, the Leatherman bits are not worth the money. If you are an EDC enthusiast who want to build a small lightweight toolkit with different combinations, the Leatherman Bit Kit is a great choice. I love the slim profile, the lightweight and all the different options. And this is a little life hack for all Leatherman Bit Kit users. When there is a bit combination that you use over and over again, you can add 2 standard sized bits, for example from Vera or VIA, into the slots, and so you have high quality bits and a huge variety of bits in the slots here, so you have many options depending on your needs. Please let me know in the comment section below what's your favorite options for an EDC tool and bit kit, and what's your carry option for your bits. I'm excited about your comments.